Hello everybody. Okay, we got a Polo 6. Place the indicators and you want to take out the airbag unit. It works completely different from the other units you need to take out. So at the back it's got blank holes, but you need to open it up. The plastic is covering it up completely. So the rubber, you take it away, then you're gonna see like a solid springs, but that solid springs, I'm gonna show you now. There it comes out. There you can see the unit. I'm gonna turn the steering wheel like that. There you can see the holes over here. You need to open up that once. Then you get like a blank, something blank. Then you put it inside like this and you push it towards the side. Then you're gonna get the airbag out, or else you're not gonna get it out. This one works completely different from the other clips you need to take out. The other clips is normally like this, then you need to press it, then it comes out. But this one works different. This one's got a spring. By the spring itself, you need to push it towards that side. Then you're gonna get it out. Then it's gonna pop out, or else it's not gonna pop out. There you can see the airbag. You can see the springs. So if you need to press it, you need to go like towards that side. So if you press it, then it opens up the other clips. There you can see it. There's the other side. Show you nicely. There it opens up. So the spring, you need to push it towards that side. And then the airbag is out. Put it that side, so we can replace some new indicators because the wipers just keeps on wiping. There you can see it inside. There's our clips, the other clips. So you need to open up this one. So if you're gonna see at the back, you're not gonna see nothing. It's gonna be completely closed up with the rubber. And then you're gonna get it out. So we're gonna start stripping the steering wheel. Okay, here's the nut of the steering wheel itself. Okay, if you're gonna see inside, the steering wheel is marked. So the steering wheel itself has got a mark, and the column itself has got a mark. So you can't put it wrong. You only put it back the way you took it out on the marks itself. There you're gonna see the marks. There's the one, there's the other one. So you take it out, put it back the same way you took it out on the marks. So we're gonna take out the steering wheel and replace the indicators. So it's the steering wheel, clock spring. So before you work on our airbag unit, you need to disconnect the battery before you even start working on the airbag itself. So disconnect the battery and disconnect the airbag and all the other stuff you want to disconnect. Okay, we got the steering wheel out and you got 3 of the screws. One over here, and one on the bottom. And then you got your pluggy, disconnect the pluggy's got the key, you release the key and press it. Then you release it and then you take your clock spring out. Only check your clock spring and it mustn't move, only keep it the same way it will, like you take it out. And now we can remove the indicator unit. There you can see it. Just gonna remove this one. Okay, to remove the indicators unit, you got one clip here at the bottom, you got one clip here on the top, and one over here, and then it slides out. Okay, here you can see the pluggies, one on the left, one on the right. Here's the key you need to take out, and you press this one inside, and then you take it out. There you can see the pluggy. Here's the old unit. There's the pluggy. Here you can see the clips, so one clip over here, one clip over here, and by the bottom a clip. Here's the pluggy, and this is for your clock spring. And done. Now we can install the new indicators. So we install it, slide it aside. You can fit the pluggies first or afterwards. Then we're done with the indicators. There's our new indicators and the light switches. So there you can see the plug is inside, the keys is back inside, same on the other side. And now we can install the clock spring. There's our clock spring, we're going to slide it back inside. So the same way you took it out, you put it back without turning this one. You can put like a piece of tape that it don't move. And then we done with the clock spring. There we go, our clock spring is back. You can see the bolt over here, another bolt over here, two on the top, one on the bottom. Nice and tight, the plug is back inside and the key is back. So we got a new switches is fitted, and now we only gonna fit the steering wheel itself. We'll fit the steering wheel, put it back on the lines itself. You're gonna see. And the guides itself also on the clock spring. There you can see it, one over here, there you can see it, one over here, one over here. And the marks back where it's supposed to be. So the column is marked, the steering wheel itself is marked, so you only put the two marks over each other, and done. Then you lock it. And we are done. So all the panels is put back, the underneath panel, the top panel, it goes easy. There's only one bolt here at the bottom. There you can see it. And now you only push it. And we're done. Okay, the problem we had with this one was the wipers keeps on wiping, so there was a problem with this switch. And we're all done.